Здравствуйте.
Hello and welcome to Vocabulary Lesson 8, Part 2 of the Practical Russian course for beginning students. In this lesson you will learn how to conjugate verbs in the present tense. As you proceed through this Practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting if you remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow. Here is the verb to do, which in its infinitive form is
Делать.
to say we do or we are doing is
Мы делаем.
to say you do or you are doing is
Вы делаете.
to say they do or they are doing is
Они делают.
the verb to know in its infinitive form is znat. To say we know is
Мы знаем.
to say you know is
Вы знаете.
to say they know is
Они знают.
the verb to walk in its infinitive form is
Гулять.
to say we walk or we are walking is
Мы гуляем.
to say you walk or you are walking is
Вы гуляете.
to say they walk or they are walking is
Они гуляют.
the verb to travel in its infinitive form is puteshestvovat. To say we travel or we are traveling is
Мы путешествуем.
to say you travel or you are traveling is
Вы путешествуете.
to say they travel or they are traveling is
Они путешествуют. Мы путешествуем вместе.
we travel together.
Даша и Алекс путешествуют в США.
Dasha and Alex travel in the USA.
Вы путешествуете на машине?
Are you traveling by car?
Я путешествую на верблюде в пустыне.
I travel on a camel in the desert.
Они делают макет самолета.
They make a model plane.
Мы делаем это вместе.
We do it together.
Вы делаете работу хорошо.
You are doing a good job.
Они гуляют в парке.
They walk in the park.
Мы любим гулять вместе.
We like to walk together.
Вы часто там гуляете?
Do you often walk there?
Даша гуляет тоже.
Dasha walks too.
Дети знают урок хорошо.
Children know the lesson well.
Вы знаете, где мои книги?
Do you know where my books are?
Он не знает урок.
He does not know the lesson.
Мы знаем, где они путешествуют.
We know where they travel.
Я знаю, что ты знаешь об этом.
I know that you know about it. In this lesson you have learned how to conjugate verbs in the present tense. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. If you like this video, please subscribe, ring the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up.
До свидания!
And we will see you next time in the practical Russian course for beginning students.